Bago yan, ito, and syempre itong picture na ito, Singapore, Pilipinas muna. So, terminal, tayo mo ba? Hanapin lang natin yung... And if you're gonna ask, yes, it's my first time leaving the country. It's good.
Can't believe I see it now. I saw you walking through the corridor. I really feel there's something about your stunning smile, simple style. Gotta take this chance, it really take a while. There was something I wanna tell you, baby, that's not without just you and me. Did you know I want to get to know you? Just grab my hand and be together. You got me spinning, spinning, spinning. Alright, our hips are moving, grooving, dancing tonight. Get up and down, down and hold me tighter. Got me feel so
So, napunta ako dito sa may Marina Bay kasi gusto ko mag-picture doon sa Layon. Ang problema, narito ako ngayon sa Marina Bay Sands. The shops at Marina Bay Sands. Yung Layon. Ayun. Nandun yung Layon. So, tingnan natin kung paano makakapunta doon mamaya. Or ngayon, siguro kaya ko naman lakarin kaso parang ang layo eh. Tingnan natin kung paano makakapunta. Napatagal ako pa nung nagsasayo. Ang dami ang galing. Sabay-sabay. So hindi kumpleto Singapore kapag wala ito. Yung maraming tao. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, hindi kumpleto pag wala yan. So one of the most iconic statues ng Singapore. Siyempre, picture ako dyan.
And as the night goes deeper and deeper, our connection seems to go better. Ooh, baby, can't you feel that electric spark? Am I crazy? Or in
I feel like I'm dying.
Years from now, tell me what we're gonna do. All November 13, I'm 19 left. 2 years from now.